Hey everybody, this is Jess at Summit RV in Ashland, Kentucky. Today we are going to take a look at this Jayco Eagle HT. I'm going to turn you around here so we can check it out together. This is brand new for 2019. We've got all LED lighting on the front cap here. Huge storage right here underneath. Pasture Storage here, and here is your spray port. You can use that to hose things off, etc. Place to put a TV right here. Sorry about that light. Let me get that adjust better. Got a light here, a switch for your entry steps, so that you can see getting in and out in the dark. We've got Furrion outside speakers that will hook to Bluetooth. We have a power awning with an LED light strip. This is the 27.5 RLTS floor plan. This has the Climate Shield Ultimate Weather Protection, as well as it's wired for solar, and it has an aluminum frame. Vacuum laminated construction, very, very durable. This year, Dexter axles are now standard on the Eagle products, as well as the Never Adjust brakes. Those axles are made in America. And they are easy lube as well. Goodyear tires with nitrogen. Helps with air fluctuation, makes it for an easier, smoother ride. We also have power stabilizer jacks that will electronically retract for you. Make it easy to set up at the campground. We've got a 2-inch receiver hitch here underneath the bumper. We also have the Furrion plug and play backup camera system. This is a full walk-on roof with a roof ladder. Coming around to this side, you'll see we've got our docking station. We have hot and cold water here. Another place to plug in to hook up a hose. We've got your 50 amp service. This is the other side of your Pasture Storage. Notice the very durable flooring in here. It's not going to tear up or get carpet dirty. It's going to be easy to clean. Motion sensor lighting, as you could see, it popped on as we walked over here. This is our weights on this camper. The dry weight of this camper is 8230. So possibly half-ton towable there. Spare tire right here in a very convenient location, mounted under the front, so you can find it when you're looking for it. And of course, as always, this is protected by the 2-year limited warranty by Jayco, one of the best in the industry. You won't be sorry that you got that warranty with your camper. They are excellent to work with. They have an amazing warranty department that will help you get you back on the road and get you camping like you need to be. So now we're going to step inside. This is brand new for this year, for 2019. This is the modern farmhouse interior. Everybody's been waiting to see it. I'm really excited to show it to you guys. I think you're going to love it. And Matt is actually waiting for us in here, so he's going to talk to us about the inside.
Hey guys, so you see the all new white farmhouse, modern farmhouse interior, all white cabinetry. You have white cabinets on the doors, on the refrigerator doors as well. You have seamless countertops here. These are all upgraded seamless countertops throughout the camper. You have your bamboo cutting board. You have your vegetable cutting board here that rolls up. You have your sink extender here, the sink head extender here. If you look right here on the back wall, you have 2 different sets of outlets. You have one here and one here. And this is new. This is a portable Bluetooth speaker that you have and flashlight. This is the charging station for it. You also have 2 USB ports here, so you can charge your phones and everything like that. You have all stainless steel appliances in here. You have the stainless steel microwave. You have the new Furrion stove. Everything self-lighting. You don't have to use any matches anymore. Nice blue LEDs. You have the glass top to kind of give you more counter space here. If you come around the camper, you have plenty of storage over top of your couch. You have storage over top of your recliners here. A nice big window here in the back, and you also have the 2 side windows. Coming over to the table, this is the new rustic style table that they have. You can see we've got the extension already pulled out. That's just as easy as lifting that up, putting it back down to get it put away. As you can see, more windows here. Plenty of natural light going to come in this camper. You have your big TV here. This TV does sit on the, move around and swivel. You have your Furrion entertainment system. That's CD, DVD, Bluetooth, everything all built into one. And you can see right underneath that you have the fireplace.
All right, let's go ahead and check out the bathroom and the bedroom. I'll let you go first, Matt.
Okay. Also, you do get the remote control. You know, you can keep this in your truck, run out all your slides, turn on your lights, control your awning, everything like that can be controlled right with this remote control. Coming to your big bathroom here, you have the neo-angle shower. Nice size shower. I'm a big guy. You can see plenty of room in here. Get in here, take a shower. Same thing with the countertops. Upgraded countertops here. You have your big medicine cabinet. Plenty of storage behind that.
Nice little backsplash there behind the stove. I mean, behind the stove.
Behind the sink.
Apparently, I haven't had enough coffee this behind the sink in the bathroom.
Alright, so you can see in here, you have your wardrobe that sits in on a slide, so it gives you more room in here. This does go into the bathroom as well.
Towel closet.
Mm-hmm.
Towel closet, and then you've got your hanging space over here for your wardrobe.
You have your queen size bed here. You have your reading lights over top your bed here. You can switch those over to the blue reading lights. You have your small storage here on both sides of the bed.
Nice little dresser right there with a little nightstand.
You have your backing already right here for your bedroom TV. And of course, you have your under bed storage.
And those are the 2 folding chairs that go with the dinette right there.
Mm-hmm.
You can store those under your bed so you'll have more space when you don't have a bunch of people in here with you. And the little fur pillow comes with it.
The fur pillow is included.
I think that is awesome. They've really upgraded their interior this year. All of the molding around the fascia, around the slide outs is beautiful. Carved wood. We've got the crown molding around the top here. The actual valances over the windows are like a faux leather material, so they're going to last. They're really soft and pretty. They have wood trim now around all the windows. Just something a little extra to give it that high-end feel. But at the same time, it feels like home. So I think that that's something that's really cool about this year that they've changed. And now we're going to head back into the living room. I'll give you one more look at the modern farmhouse interior. Don't you just love this cabinetry? I feel like that it is beautiful. It's bright, it's airy, it's fresh. We've got upgraded appliances. We've got plenty of storage. We have a beautiful entertainment center, a beautiful fireplace. This is somewhere you could go and truly have a getaway where you can feel relaxed and have the vacation that you've been looking for any time of the year, any weekend, all summer long. So, thanks for checking out our video, guys. I really appreciate you guys tuning in. If you have any questions, just drop us a comment, send us a private message. Give us a call at Summit RV, Ashland, Kentucky, 606-928-6795, or send us an email to sales@summitrv.com. Or if you don't want to do any of that, hit on our website, hit live chat, and talk to us right away. We'll be there to answer any questions that you may have. And we are here Monday through Friday until 7 p.m. this month, and Saturdays until 5. Thank you.
Come on down and see us, y'all.